So should we call this Isiewu Pocho Soup?
Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mdevaan. Thanks for dropping by as usual. So I have another Pocho Soup recipe, and today I made use of the goat head and the leg. So our marinated meat is parboiled, very soft, and especially because the tough cut of the goat. So I have to allow it to cook for a long time, and I decided to use like firewood to give it that smoky, earthy flavor. I'm hosting a few friends, and I just want them to have two types of pocho today. So you guys are already familiar with my pocho soup recipes and mixes. So basically, I just put our pepper and nune, the fresh one, baye, onions, seasoning to taste. I already put seasoning when I was parboiling the goat meat, but then I decided to add just a little bit because I made the pocho a bit more watery than I usually do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Yes, I know this is another potato soup recipe, and I have another one and much more coming. Like for this lunch, I serve two types of potato. So yeah, this is recipe number one, and I'm gonna post the other one another time. I'm serving this with pounded yam,
Alefu and Atu, both soup recipes, I'll leave in the description box.
sweet mocktails, and basically just. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you.